Hi everyone, I'm Javi and I'm an illustrator and comics artist. I specialize in drawing background and environment art, and today I want to give you a glimpse into my background art class. When I first started drawing, backgrounds always seemed too intimidating to me and I would really hesitate attempting them. My art looked like characters on an empty canvas, just floating in space. Over time, I've slowly gathered resources and taught myself perspective, composition, light and shade, and many of the other techniques needed to learn background art. I want to share that knowledge with you because I know how daunting this process can be when you're navigating unknown waters. Follow me through the very basics of perspective and composition, and I'll take you every step of the way to drawing your own room interior illustration. Even if you use Sai, Clip Studio Paint, or Procreate, I'll explain all concepts simply and give you demonstrations to make learning easy and fun. I'm Javi, and I'd love to draw and learn together with you and capture the mood, environment, and character design.